Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po inyong lingkod, si JomarX. And today, we'll be reviewing this very, very cute, handy Glock 19 Gen 5 Gel Blaster. Okay? See? It's really cute. It's similar to the real steel one or the airsoft one. It comes with also with the cute mag base. So, it's nice. This is several trades, but it's Gook. Gook. Sorry. At least Austria is correct. Wait. Austria, yes, Austria is correct. That line, it's nice. It has a red barrel, and it does. It has a switch here. Safe, semi, and auto. Wait, safe. Oh, it's semi-safe auto. So semi. Has blowback and full auto. Not bad. It has magazine prime. It has a MOSFET, so it has somewhat gel control. Comes with one magazine and a drum mag. In this very, very stylish box. Look at this box. Shiny. Huh? Shiny. It's very stylish. And drum mag. So let's put it down. And the magazine release actually works. So, point. So it's a very viable toy. So if you want to do gel pistol games, this is actually fairly good. It's only 130 FPS, so it will not hurt that much, and the range is not that far. But I might design a hop-up for this one, so this will become very viable because it's cute. And nice. Price, this is only 2,000 pesos. So it's very cheap. It has lights also. See, lights. It's not that bright, but still pretty lights. This is actually the battery. This is the battery contacts. See? It's really nice. I like it. This has two colors. Is the tan version and the all black version. Oh, green version. So, army green. So, if you want to have one, you can easily get one here in Hydro Blasters NML. Just PM them in their FB page. If you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ching!